Hello everyone. Wild wolves, once primarily found in the western United States, are now estimated to number around 3 million. However, their increasing presence poses significant challenges, prompting discussions on effective management and control measures. How do these adaptable creatures impact our daily lives? And what strategies can we employ to coexist with them while minimizing negative effects? Wild wolves are highly adaptable animals, capable of surviving in various environments, allowing them to spread across the entire continental United States. Large states like California and Texas are known for significant wolf populations, but they have also been sighted in urban areas, farms, and forests nationwide. Have you noticed the presence of wild wolves in your area? If so, how has their presence affected the local ecosystem? One of the most concerning issues with the increasing population of wild wolves is their predation on livestock. Species such as sheep and goats are particularly vulnerable to wolf attacks, resulting in estimated economic losses of about $50 million annually. This figure underscores the severity of the issue for farmers and ranchers who rely on livestock for their livelihoods. How do you think the community can support farmers to minimize these losses and promote coexistence with wildlife? Guns have long been the primary tool for controlling wild coyote populations in the United States. Given their adaptability and widespread presence, especially in states like California and Texas, many landowners and hunters rely on guns to manage these predators. But what are the benefits and drawbacks of using guns to control coyotes? And how should this approach be balanced with other management strategies? Guns are highly effective in rapidly reducing the number of coyotes, which is crucial for farmers and livestock owners facing significant losses. The availability of various types of firearms, from rifles to shotguns, allows hunters to choose the most suitable weapon for their specific situation. Rifles, with their long-range capabilities, are ideal for open fields, while shotguns are more effective in dense wooded environments. Swift action is essential, and guns provide a direct and effective means to address this issue, preventing further damage and minimizing economic losses. Additionally, the flexibility of firearms makes them suitable for use in diverse terrains and conditions, whether it's dense forests in the western United States or expansive plains in Texas. Hunters can adjust their choice of firearms to suit the environment, ensuring effective coyote management. However, one of the primary concerns when using guns is the risk of accidents. The use of firearms requires training and vigilance to prevent unintentional discharges that could lead to injury or death. In densely populated areas, the risk of stray bullets poses significant danger to humans, pets, and other wildlife. Additionally, using guns near residential areas or farms raises public safety issues, especially in places where hunting is not commonplace. Currently, aerial eradication of coyotes using helicopters has become an effective tool for managing the increasing coyote population across the United States. These aerial missions allow for rapid and targeted reduction of coyote numbers, especially in areas where ground-based control methods face challenges. However, despite its effectiveness, deploying helicopters for coyote control is constrained by significant budgetary constraints and limited resources. The high costs associated with helicopter operations, including fuel, maintenance, and specialized personnel, often restrict these activities to only the most critical situations. Therefore, while aerial eradication provides a swift and efficient solution, its application remains limited, underscoring the need for innovative and cost-effective wildlife management strategies. Which of these two methods are you most impressed with? And which do you believe is the most effective way to manage the coyote population? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more on the impact of invasive species. To address the issue of danger and damage caused by squirrels while maintaining humane treatment of animals, homeowners can balance compassionate wildlife management with protecting their property. Live trapping provides a humane option for capturing squirrels without causing harm to them, addressing ethical concerns, and ensuring compliance with wildlife protection regulations. Live traps are also highly reusable and cost-effective, making them suitable for households and farmers facing persistent issues. Strategically placing traps in specific areas helps reduce damage caused by squirrels without impacting unaffected areas or other wildlife species. In serious cases, especially in sparsely populated rural areas, using firearms can be a swift solution to mitigate squirrel populations, particularly when they cause significant damage to agriculture or pose threats to infrastructure such as electrical fires. However, any method must adhere to local regulations and guidelines regarding wildlife management and safe shooting practices. These methods each have their own benefits and limitations depending on the specific situation and severity of the problem. Choosing the appropriate method helps homeowners and farmers minimize damage from squirrels while ensuring humane treatment and compliance with wildlife protection regulations. Understanding and adhering to local regulations regarding the use of firearms for control is crucial, as these regulations can vary significantly between areas. Each management method has its own benefits and limitations, and the decision to use firearms should be based on local laws and safety considerations. To adapt to the challenge of managing wild pig populations in California, integrating all-terrain vehicles, ATVs, into hunting strategies is essential. The diverse and complex terrain of rural California demands a flexible and mobile approach to effectively cover large areas where wild pigs often reside. ATVs have proven to be practical tools, enabling hunters to navigate difficult terrains such as hills, dense forests, wetlands, and open fields, thereby enhancing hunting efficiency. However, using a shotgun while operating an ATV presents significant benefits and safety risks. Handling a shotgun on an ATV can disrupt necessary concentration and control, increasing the risk of serious accidents. Shotguns, though popular, have a limited effective range, typically not exceeding 50 yards under ideal conditions. This limitation is crucial when hunting wild pigs, known for their resilience and fast movement. Regarding the use of shotguns for hunting wild pigs in California, opinions vary. Some may consider it an effective method due to the power and versatility of shotguns at close range. Others may view it as a safety concern and emphasize the necessity for accuracy when targeting wild pigs. Hunting wild pigs with a rifle offers a different perspective. Rifles like the Remington 700 are favored for their accuracy, power, and ability to handle longer distances, minimizing the risk of undue harm to other wildlife species or nearby areas. However, using a rifle requires patience, meticulous preparation, and deep understanding of the natural landscape to ensure accurate and ethical hunting practices. Feral hogs are an invasive species causing significant damage to the United States, estimated at billions of dollars annually. They can attack at any time, day or night. In this video, we'll see how American farmers deal with feral hog invasions on their farms. This herd of feral hogs is preparing to attack a cattle farm at night. The ranchers are ready to protect their cattle. They approach the herd gently and cautiously. The feral hogs are large, so the ranchers and hunters use night vision equipment to aid in shooting, enabling them to see each hog clearly. During the daytime, you can see feral hogs running across the fields. Hunters in the area have gathered with hunting dogs to capture them. These professional hunting dogs search for feral hogs, and then each hunter stands in a different area to ensure no hogs escape. Feral hogs not only cause economic and infrastructural damage, but also pose threats to the environment and human health. They are omnivorous animals with a habit of damaging crops. This environmental destruction not only results in agricultural productivity losses, but also undermines the sustainability of ecosystems. To mitigate the impacts of feral hogs, American farmers have employed various strategies. Trapping and hunting are two traditional methods used to reduce the feral hog population. The monitoring system using drones and GPS tracking devices has proven effective in tracking and pinpointing the location of feral hogs. This provides opportunities for researchers and control agencies to detect the presence of feral hogs early and implement timely control measures. In addition to technology, a unique natural solution is planting crops with strong odors that feral hogs dislike, such as chili peppers, lemongrass, and mint. Feral hogs typically avoid plants with strong odors like these, so planting them can help protect farmers' important crops and food sources from animal intrusion. Feral hogs pose a serious threat to the economy and human health in the United States. The consequences of this invasion are highly concerning and require collaboration from all parties to address. To tackle this threat, the U.S. needs to continue researching and implementing effective measures to ensure sustainability for the future. These hogs are raised on a farm with a high-quality automated farming system. The farm is divided into multiple nurturing areas tailored to the different ages of the hogs. After giving birth, Sow hogs are cared for separately in a room so that their piglets can receive nourishing mother's milk from them. The hogs are fed high-nutrient diet portions, and this system is capable of automatically providing the hogs with appropriate amounts of food at various times throughout the day. Once they reach their target weight, the hogs may continue to be used for breeding subsequent litters on the farm, or sold to processing plants to supply food for humans. When the pork arrives at the processing plant, it is placed on a conveyor belt to begin the processing procedure. The frozen pork pieces are fed into the first grinding machine to be minced along with seasonings and additives added to enhance the flavor of the product. The pork can be processed into various foods such as sausages, bologna, ham, bacon, sauces, and many other dishes. Once the meat reaches the desired quality level, employees transfer it into large trays, which are then poured into the mold frame. This equipment can press the meat into layers or casings to shape salami. These sausage sticks are hung on a large hanging rack on a self-locking conveyor system and moved into the curing room. After curing, they are dried to reduce moisture and achieve a specific hardness for the sausages. Now, they are ready to be packaged. The salami is sliced into evenly sized pieces, and employees then arrange a certain amount into each box. They are packaged and sealed automatically using a separate device. Once completed, they are packed into cardboard boxes for transportation. Salami is a popular and widely enjoyed food in many countries around the world, especially in Europe and the United States. It offers a balanced flavor profile of saltiness and spiciness, making it a versatile ingredient for dishes such as pizza, sandwiches, salads, and many others. What do you think about this video? Do you think machines will replace more human jobs in the future? And what should we do about it? Please share your thoughts below, as it is important to know what people think and find suitable solutions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos like this.